Hey there at First Choice. My name is Don Cunningham, and in this video, I'm going to show you 3 things that you can do today to bring more customers to your business and increase your visibility online through your website. I do this because I know many times business owners are too busy running their business to look into all the tools and things that are available to help them manage the internet. I have found that many times, if I give some free information, then it gives the prospects and someone that they can turn to if they need help in this area. Okay, now the 3 things I wanted to talk about is content, citations, and backlinks. The first thing is the content. The content is anything on your home page, including pictures, words, videos on your home page. But for Google to optimize your website, it needs to read the word content, and that's what it's using to optimize the web site. And to fully optimize it, it usually needs have about 1,500 to 2,400 words of word content to fully optimize it. In addition to the word content, you want to have words in your content that are going to be used in searches that are going to cause your site to be found. We call these keywords. I did a word count on your homepage, and you have 1,761 words on your homepage. So in that area, you're in good standing. Okay, now this is the website of one of your top competitors. Now their website did come up on the first page as a result of a Google search. I did a word count on their homepage. They have 1,875 words on their homepage, which is more than you have in your content. But again, we still need to look at the keyword content to see what's going on there. Okay, now this is a tool that I use called Ahrefs. And in that tool, what it does, it gives the background details that Google uses when it's ranking websites. And so when I ran your competitor's site here, and it's showing here that they're being found for 46 keywords. And then also, when we come in here, we can see their backlinks. And what a backlink is another thing I wanted to talk about, is a backlink is when one site links to another website online, and we call that link juice. What that means is that it gives the site being linked to more authority. It's like the site is being recommended by one business is being recommended by another business. So the more sites you have linking back to your site gives your site more authority, and the higher the authority, the higher the ranking in Google. Okay, now this is the result of your site in Ahrefs. And you can see here you're only being found for 2 keywords. We do have 335 backlinks, which is good, but then we want to get even more backlinks. They, backlinks linking back to your site. Now, the sites that are linking back to your competitor, we can get those same sites to link back to your site. And then in addition to that, we can get even more backlinks for your site, which is going to wind up giving you more authority than your competitor. And we can do the same thing with the keywords. We can find out the exact keywords that they're being found for And then we can include those keywords in your content, which again is going to push your ranking up. The other thing I wanted to talk about is citations. What a citation is your business name, address, and phone number. Now I have here the result of a Google search. Over here, this is our organic listing, and this is the business profile here, and then over here is the map section, which we call our map pack. Now, on the profile, you can see the name up here, and then you come down here, you can see the address here and the phone number, and that is your citation, which is also known as an app. Now, the important thing about the citation is you want to have it listed in online directories. And the more directories you have your app listed in, the more relevance Google gives it. And this is a little chart showing some of the top directories that your app could be listed in. But in addition to this, there's still another couple hundred online directories that your app could be listed in. And again, what could be done here is there's a site called Bright Local, and on that site we can find out exactly what directories the citation is listed in for your competitor, and then we can match that and then get so you would be listed in the same directories, but then in addition to that, we would want to get you listed in even more directories than your competitor. Again, giving your site higher relevance. Okay, well, that's in a nutshell. Again, we went over content. You want to have a minimum of 1,500 words on your homepage, which you do, and more important than that, you want to have the right keywords in your content that's going to cause your site to be found in a Google search. And we talked about using some of the same keywords that your competitor is using to raise your ranking. And then we talked about backlinks. The backlink is when one site links to another website online. And then again, we want to get your site more backlinks linking back to your site than your competitors, which is going to give your site more authority. And then we went over citations. You want your citation listed in more directories than your competitors, which is going to give you more relevance in Google. So now I hope you like what I've showed you and it's been informative for you. And you can take the information I've given you and do these things on your own. Or if you want a more quicker, more effective route, you can give me a call at 714-473-0269. Again, my name is Don Cunningham. My number is 714-473-0269. Thank you for watching the video, and I hope you have a great day. Looking forward to hearing from you soon.